Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Blessed Way Tarot and Guidance. Today I'm going to do a general reading for the zodiac sign Capricorn, and the topic is how will be your next week. If you have your sun, moon or rising in Capricorn, you can refer to this reading. And also this is going to be a timeless reading, so whenever you watch this reading, it will be applicable for the next week starting from that particular date. Please watch this reading till end, because at the end I will pull out few guidances from Moonology Oracle deck. So now let's begin the reading. Let me shuffle the cards a bit, just giving them a final shuffle. These are the pre-shuffled cards. Just one more. Capricorn, how will be your next week? How will be your upcoming week? Please divine guide me. Capricorn, how will be your profession next week? Strength, the world, wow. King, Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Okay, Capricorn, your personal life next week. Eight of Cups, Knight of Wands, Queen of Swords, and Six of Pentacles. The bottom of the deck is the Moon. With the Moon card, I can see next week your psychic and intuitive abilities are going to be stronger. You will be meditating and contemplating a lot. Okay, and something is hidden from you and you need to wait for the right time. It will be revealed to you automatically. Okay, for the profession, I am seeing that with the strength card that you will have a lot of strength and power in the upcoming week. You will be in your power, Capricorn. And you can see this feminine energy has controlled this furious lion so effortlessly. Likewise, you will be doing your things so effortlessly at your workplace. You will be handling, a kind of furious boss so calmly, so gently. You will handle the rough peoples around you, the rough people around you. Okay, and you will be in tremendous energy. One advice is that channelize that energy in a good way. Calmness is the real strength. You will realize that, and you will work accordingly. Okay, the next is the world. Possibly you will meet some foreign clients, some foreign colleagues in the upcoming week. You will get a chance to work with them, and some of you work related journey is also possible. World is a very vast vision card. Like, you will have a broader vision regarding your career. You might be looking for some abroad jobs in the next week to upgrade your career. Yes, lot of communication. Might be some of you are in foreign client related businesses like travel, tourism, or corporate industry, or hotel management. Okay, the next card is Knight of Pentacles. You will be very much careful regarding your career, regarding your finances also, and you have a good financial goal with you, and you are gradually moving towards that financial goal. Just little by little, step by step, day by day. You are not in hurry. That is the good thing about you in the next week. Okay, and you know that slow and steady wins the race, and you are going to achieve your goal. So you are so much careful about your finances. You have a strategical and methodological approach, methodical approach towards your financial goals. That's good. That's really good. You are striving for some career that will give you more money. Okay, and with the Ace of Pentacles card, I am seeing that might be in the next week you will set up a new financial goal. You will find a new source of income. You will get some rewards. Okay, this is the card. This is number one, means something beginning. Something is going to begin in the next week, finance and career wise, and more likely it's about your finances. It might be you will do some investments. You got impressed by some very good investment that will give you a very good handsome return after a certain period. Might be you will invest some amount in stock exchange market, and you will get some financial reward by any means. Okay, gain of money will be there in the next week for some of you. Okay, for personal life, I am seeing that Eight of Cups. This card indicates that might be some relationship in your life is not serving you. It can be family, it can be a close friend, it can be a love partner, but you invested in those relationships and that in that particular relationship, and that is not serving you. You invested a lot. Now you moved your direction. Now you are going to find a new direction. You are just showing back to this thing. You are moving away from some relationship. Okay, and with the Knight of Wands card, the energy associated with this card is youthful spirit, energetic and passionate. You will passionately approach someone. Might be he or she can be your love partner. Okay, you have some passionate desires and you will approach them energetically. Okay, this is the card of action. You will take some action towards them. The next is Queen of Swords. This indicates that a woman who is very practical, very much career oriented, and who is very independent, who doesn't who is self-sufficient, who doesn't care about others' emotions, also sometimes others' feelings, also very cutthroat type attitude. Might be some significant lady, some significant woman in your life will be in this energy. Okay, in the next week you might have to deal with them. Chances are there you will be showing your emotions and they are not understanding it. Okay, the next card is Six of Pentacles. This card indicates that you are going to spend your hard-earned money on your loved ones, or you are going to give your money to needy people. You are going to do some charity. You are going to give treats to your friends. Okay, this is a spending money, giving money to people, to your relatives, to your family, friends or love partner. Okay, so now let's take guidances from Moonology deck. This is the last shuffle. You are very close to achieving your goal. Okay, nothing is yet set in stone. Look at the bigger picture. Okay, might be you are a bit worried about your financial goals and you are approaching it methodically and strategically. So here is the guidance that you are very close to achieving your goals. So no need to worry. Nothing is yet set in stone. Like I will take this for this card. See, this is the right thing you are doing now, because this relationship is not serving you. You invested a lot and you are moving away. But only divine knows if somebody is in your destiny, he or she definitely will come to you. So nothing is yet set in stone. Look at the bigger picture. I feel it has come for this world card. You know that you will have a promising career. You are not limited to a certain city or um, to a certain country. If you are doing a business now, you have a plan to expand your business to the abroad countries. So here is the guidance for you, that look at the bigger picture. So Capricorn, this is all about your reading. I hope you like the reading. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell notification icon, and also stay tuned to my channel for next readings. Till then, take care. Count your blessings. Bye bye.